So yada obibia se wa ojebre agusu hwe bedwom na Adom TV multi TV so bia me de o mahene kwabena sante free sabe kopem se no nkono bebo apa ho minute aduonunum 9:25 ye nyina ya said yes yetimi dwundwun o my Ghana o mane kodu ba bia say edu. It's a brand new week and some few days to our elections. My men koson kan you say ma wani nji sa we Ghana ni Ghana ya sundwe man na ma o man no ho so hia o se Ghana man one kasa o man ti baby abutu bia no dwene se on the 7th of December no say o ye eligible in kwada me chere se fata won hihye ne mremu dia betimi akoto wa ba. It's very, very important it is so and tenafi once you are an eligible voter if you are no pa no soon ekopem anwure no num ye wo wa sede se wo beko no akoto aba no ahwe se obenya member of parliament wo mpeso aro so no nya oman ni nyina panyin ewo eye Ghana han sei entimi nkoye atenie ana onim sa no ma we da emfa party ahyenso de so oni ma me ka emfa party ahyenso de enko bia ye to aba emfa sekan ne tai ne bo ne agyan ne enioma asere hihye ho se ene otu kope confusion be create o hwe de aposifo ka won na ade ayi nyina ne bambo adwuma won otumi mapa apart from say emergencies be be free asrafo abana aposifo na handle amayen enkoye nioma bia ebe kwakofa ensem bia ensem fata ade abrewo mpeso awo so abusua o mani o man Ghana ndenye ho na wo be smart akofa ballot box na wo de tumrika e basa de a afenu ni nyina ne o man mu nyina no ye de nibre ni ahode nyina be ba so enye ho na be ka na sichi bia very important ti yekoto aba fashion otim se ye tu genuinely e can do for Ghana for do na pese ono na odi enim ti 50+1 and as the trust bia ye da nyame ase members of parliament jaso e bo ho na dem pipra e bo ho na dem pipra no hu ni na kama enti mesrew party chitai for cheddar alanchemante CPC CPP PNC NDC MPP mesremo etitafo nyina mo ye Ghana for momma yentimi mfa opepa ne odopa enkoto aba na bibia nko kama enfama. On that note muhu akuma mama Zimbi amon kai ne se na woda ebia na refi ne ho ko na abrabo mu nsem no honorable Vondi di na woda bra na onim se na woda kra. In fact he drawn attention from amanone ne matu we humpo kra se na woda ti ane no bia amanfo adwene ne nam no na go bi twakwa ma obebo pa until ye kokra ono no body na kasa de gina India nipedua no ana nam aye kan say akokomlemre ha wo twa crossing ti mesremo a se wo bo abenso we kwa da ayesem dia se wo nam na do zebra crossing na se obi twam emfa abufuo kasa da manipa nsebi wo boda ma no ebia bebi adwene yi akoto no enam Azerbaijan ana body na kasa de nam Ghana ti mesre driver 42 zebra crossing no nya abotrema ni pa hanko na zebra crossing ye pacho azani etwam ubi twam zebra crossing ajo pacho wa gina ho pacho wa zebra crossing se na make azana watwam timon ka che kuma mama Zimbi e bia na refi no ase TikTok on fe ni agoro no hoya gambeto bunyo na mama nyom na sa tweko Vondi akwa ba wonyima gambeto ma no dey say bam what dey we dey present Vondi Kwifu atimokwa mrashe bedwani oni bishop na tie o 2 years obaga say dey ozo pokai ba omi anyum no motwa man no
ba omi wotwa bi nyum bia man
onim
na bio
afi na mrena su kunim di ye dia odi
na bio na mre for 8 years ago ni na nko wa be na afi na mre aso dia dey say ewu
ba omi amrero say joro zaret ye
ba omi ade on
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, vice president.
Nothing anymore. 8 years ago, he had an opportunity.
I feel na mena su emena couldn't be any.
8 years, you know the other day.
If you know Sapalo.
Oh my God.
Cause you go. Good. Dr. Park, Bibi, come on. O consensus was saying that the NDC for to be in
fact, about 1 hour, this is Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's election.
This is Dr. Bawumia's election.
He's winning this election.
Hey.
Yes. Where you Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in the election. You see, the surprise that will happen in this election is John Dramani Mahama is losing.
Okay, so you understand the idea you see here.
Very
the surprise that will happen.
Very clearly.
Clearly, so, the fact is that John Mahama must win.
No,
it will only be a surprise if he loses.
John
which,
Mahama
of course, will never happen.
It will be a surprise.
That's what he's saying.
He's winning.
In fairness, no.
Absolutely.
So John should win.
Or see, the surprise that will happen is John Mahama will lose you. Point is that
John Mahama,
everybody knows John Mahama is winning and he will win.
You know.
But you know too. I mean, there's no two ways about that.
You know, eh?
You know too that John Mahama is winning.
Do you believe
elections.
that John Mahama is winning?
It is not a belief, it is a fact. You can't do anything about it. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is the next president of the Republic of Ghana. And there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Based on what?
No, the fact is that number one, we've seen him before. He delivered on the dollar. 3.9 Ghana cedis to $1.
No free
We've seen him
no one district
introduced
no ambulances.
A progressive free SHS. We've seen him build hospitals. We've seen him
build
food and bridges.
Jobs.
We've seen him
no industrialization.
Many interventions for
so
Ghanaians.
Because or say or GD and yes, GD keke. And no kure say about where I no. John Dramani Mahama, our former president, has won or is winning. Me pese me hunu ni nyina so I man de kasa sa wetin me ba de nchira babre.
So again, yehu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, yehu na dwumada. Yehu ebra no ote akonwa mu no. Yehu bebi ana dollar ni ninam. Yehu bebi ana petrol gina. Yehu bebi a taxes wo toka na wo ba port na wo clear. Yeni mahi ayeje. Enanso yenim se de anuama sai akoduro. John Mahama abreso no. Yenim se ukoto dokuna ahini etono enenso ukoto dokuna ahini etono president Kufuor die wo atoyefo se hwe wasitinem na to aba papa wankasa hwe wo party na to aba papa nti enne MPP ni bia wo hwe show we ebehwe na sitinem ato aba papa ye the 24-hour economy eba edwuma baako nipa miensa beye eninti no John Dramani Mahama be win election we ade edi ba ne say ye de ma bank eba ema ati denne wo mo ba ko dwoma ko didwa anya sika de didwa John Mahama be win election no ye di Mahama ke eba nyare nkronkro echi nipa wo ye dan a na ma ready bibi wa asese ase ye nua Ibrahim Mahama my brother Penny no wakotua akola bi a 10 years girl be awanya leukemia wakotua $110,000 Nyami Adom na John Dramani Mahama ba ni nyina no abeba be hye Mahama ke enti wo yare sanuoma na nya ade a wo besuro bi o esichire yare akuma yare sickle cell ni ade nyina no anya ade a wo adwumesu a me ye bi wo twefote makwa no John Mahama ba ebeji Ghana nyina wo pese osua adwuma ebe ma asua adwuma wo wi a ye be ma wo machine a wo de be adwuma ni asanso ama waka de ebe ma wo sika na wo de ahye wadwuma mu menua wani ebi adwuma dada ye pese ye ma wo omo so ye pese ye hye omo adwuma mu kena Ghana nti John Dramani Mahama ba dollar no na ho ande ni cedi na ho ande ne be ye kese ebe kosoro taxes bi ti say bet tax ye betwam bibi ti say COVID-19 tax ye betwam bibi ti say emission tax ball friends inwisie tax ba o mi apa this guy ye betwa ni nyina mu Ghana befa ne ntema fa pa afrebium so we will need to reset this country, this economy, and that is why His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is winning. KJT for a walk Kumasi who say, and yet John Mahama ke ni marketer your friend KJT marketer say your friend in Dubai. Woman you know say hospital akesia yesisi wo Ghana anyira John Mahama. Na dia wawi dondo amene dondo Christ me mi abona baso dia wakofa dondo aba ate ho kakra no esiyama na baso dia wasisi hospital kona kohwe Legon hospital kona kohwe itama na hospital kesi John Mahama esisi yese me mi abona baso no obi akoto ambulance na nu Akufuado ni ba ampana yama no contract so onkoto ambulance spare part $35 million hwim we risk an obi ase obi akọ
wakasa kama ba
menua mesra mo
anintino twetwe ma honenko
oh jama kama somewhere uma men kama so
twen e ma honko we Ghana asem no wakana wo ka party asem member wakasa wakodi 35 wa we ne kwa anya ne kore pacho to our asem so
anintino de ehia asesi ani se woni a edokoko menua John Dramani Mahama abreso no so we koko atwani na ohwem yatie mi yie Mahama koton koko amanonia bag back na ye 7 million no oba wati sika no almost 70% 4.750 e de atwakwiafo ne ka wo wi a wato fertilizer e de achekrafo free wagu koko no so amamo wo koton koko na o ma bonus akufo ado ba ye ene wo koton fertilizer bag back a 5 million old cedis menua fertilizer na ya trust so not for sale kra akufo ado ni baomia wo moton meni wo ka say o di koko bag baako ekwa amanone a sika wo benya no 100 million sika dada no 100 million 10,000 Ghana cedi akufo ado ba no abre 3,000 no akasa fa 70 million no ahobrase mo akufo ado baomia koko no mu na modu ya
na mo penso na
koko no mu na modu ya
twen na mo penso no na mu tua 45% ni wi a
ya
ka no fa
ye tua
jo me twen
ya 45% ni tua ye tua almost 70%.
No worry ya kan tete mo jo mama e fa shede butum
da bi otie dia jo mama de ye ni what the big cocoa road ma me counter ye
but you just said that.
Yes, and I will justify that.
Hold on. We are counting down, so
yes.
we need to be mindful of whatever we put out.
Yes.
You are a lawmaker.
Yes.
I'm saying that you just said that.
Yes.
Obia fasikano akodi edi anko a.
Yes.
Utikano kodi ni we.
Enti mama nchira omu e.
Okodi ni we.
Mama nchira omu e. Okodi no o kan dodo. Okodi no he sesan. O kan dodo tie me. Tie. John Mahama no. So tie kwa for almost 70% a. Na kakra na aka no. Odi bi ye cocoa road. Wo wi a odi bi ato fertilizer. Wo wi a odi bi agu koko no so amayen wo wi a wetua bonus akufo ado breso yi koko road no watwem fertilizer na ye jomama de breya no watwem na okoto fertilizer bag baako aye 5 million ukoton koko a bonus won twa bi o ahobrase ni ani die mu o meni ukasa koko board aboka unim se PBC Ghana Cocoa buying company no egu ene companies nkitinkiti na tuto koko inti saasi kanwa wokoton koko no 100 million no amakuafo no 3,000 no wafa 70 million no enema ababo so ajoma amaya watwa ni nyinam no sukano weni a na ni ode yeren.
Okay, I don't think
so. Anti joma ama be win election no me to me nuanom fo mu a mu wo constituency biala no mu hwe hunu se wotu abama joma hama na one to ama NDC mrashe bedwani ogina ho a wachichiri John Mahama nsa abonachi ana wo si na tamfo emeye na yakayaka de ti woni a preach scat and blast baby awo bia no sa wo do John Mahama na wo do Ghana wo tu abama John Mahama tuma ni mrashe bedwani
John Mahama da say
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eda number 8 afetie ma hwehwe 8 no wo de hwehwe baby a chinia wo chinia na wo ase na ewia bo nsuo to ebeji wo enti na dollar ne beje sini ase no na cd no ahode wo soro no enti baby a wo betu bia no aya John Dramani Mahama zu aya NDC parliamentary candidate za enti wo de ahwehachini no na tu ni ye anya sa ya bedi adoko no
so any kwai so bia followed number 8 on the parliamentary
you see one say ayi no kwa akasa no ya trotro number wo so
and a very important thing
what you say
a deliberate question to educate.
Exactly.
I'm saying that any council so okotoma NDC
uko hwehwe number 8 man kwa hwehwe number 8 ade a wo ba hwehwe ani na chinie baby a chinie wo no eho na nkwaje wo baby a chinie wo no eho na 24 economy wo baby a chinie wo no eho na Mahama care wo baby a chinie wo no eho na cocoa price papa wo baby a chinie wo no eho na Emma bank wo baby a chinie wo no eho na the papa wo bribid biara wo paper no so bia no yo wuo
mati
mfa wo san kwahye ho.
Okay, so the end bit no not any proper. You have misinformed ahwefo na tifo no in abatwa yekoto no baby ni ho a enti na mema boa wo dia no pese ma yenkohwe 8 ne
aniti baby aka wo so nyina na nya papa adi papa pa ewo ho a ye papa pe eni chinie nti wo kwa hwehwe chinie dia aka nyina no edi atete ni ohawo edi obrani amade ho ababrese edi emo aspire ye to ma kola ni na eba nti dia aka no ya papa no ani chinie no chinie nkwa hwehwe 8 bia ya ntrotro number bia o ballot paper no so dia aka ni nyina ya chinie no a
makan afi maminsa nti we mfi ho enye ne koreda say mu bia say a ye dia mankofo kenkan krata free FD ni education ministry aba emfa nheto ho ensa enkasa
me say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama any NDC parliamentary candidate bia o ballot paper no so no wo ana wo daati ehye so we school ni na wo school na person wo university na wo ntua sika bia wo first year eno ni John Mahama e wo chinianum awotinianu menti adada ni ntro ankrofo ye atwei ha akufo adoni baomi abaye bibia nko ma ye dada ha akumpra ku Canada Japan ato ye fo se baomi awa faili misramu wai muntu ma John Dramani Mahama ani bebia NDC chinianu ho na nkwaje ewo
doc oman me that say I mean charity for abato ya yakoto ya magana for ba me pe ethical me twi ethical between ya
ade ho tie
abato na yakwakoto no yenkoto aba ema obi a ne ho te ethical leadership
obi a ne ho te bia ka no obi a wo twa ntro e kire se wo ho nte wo si wo ba you will tow the road now the sikano ayekwa wo ba ya wakobobosia over 700 billion no wo si wo ba wo mbobosia no atrasa wo ho nte be da so why ethical atrasa obi a ne ho te o ka no kra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama chiniano o aya chiniano
o man asemwo
abeda na nya asam dia mo atiti ga na akodwe abeda na nya asam chiniano
o man
mani bra bidia no masai ga na sebetra say e wo pedia ni hotedia ni hotia ya John Mahama.
You know, man, you were a baby you boo tree mo. You say,
oh, you know, boo baby, but I'll be out.
Oh my, you were a baby you boo tree mo. You say, oh, Casana, say, oh, can't pay once a month. Na, in Brewafoni, Coca-Cola,
Obia Wolf.
You know, you're very, very interesting. But, oh man, about to hear your back to you. The sense to be ye tuama obi ane hote ye tuama Alhaji Dr. Mahmood Baumia ono no da ballot paper no esro hono no di kan ono no da so number 1 ono no da so no di kan e wo ballot paper no so Alhaji Dr. Mahmood Baumia obi ane hote ethical leadership ye po obi ane hote o wa ho brase o we nimdie obetu anjuma pa o mampeni na nado danko ekufuado ayeno sani paneni yepe obi a se Ghana fo to abama no mfie enan echi obeba ba ma Ghana fo ehu enjuma waye ama Ghana fo asama ne akwanya ama watoa ne njuma no so
You should be arrested.
yepe obi a what kind of misinformation is this?
There
is no misinformation in this.
After 4 years.
There is no misinformation in this.
One catch yourself 4 years now, you automatic say, Ube Sanso with that.
Oh, Wadaruma.
Huh?
Wadaruma.
To Mama, 1 year 4 years.
Honorable lawmaker.
And Waba for another 4 years.
Honorable lawmaker. Oh.
Vondi.
Papa.
So nim say obia wo ho kwan say okoni mfie nan wi. Owia no asa sere say. Even enumpo.
Who can say by MPP for the can say automatic.
Patwa how Wadaruma obia nim say. Ene uko na eto so aba. Obesa ko party for ko akosere say wan kasa kwa na wo eto so aba ba ya mampanyi no. Yebesa mo akwanya se gina party no
anemu ana
menyina na ansa no wasa sere di party no esere mfie na mfie ngotwe enye nipadia no go nipadia no ya no guaranteed.
We don't have a contest. John Mahama.
I will
give you the percentage that John Mahama will get today before I leave here.
Only contest.
I'll give you that
only contest. More contest.
I'll give you that percentage.
So only contest.
John Mahama. Remember percentage or Benya?
Okay. Mania Meremai, we don't need contest, but the all contest.
Joe Mahama. Over winning 100%.
Now, Babania call me winning 100%.
On my Ghana for
sport ballot.
On my Ghana for Cecilia in dear
Dr. Bajari.
Cecilia Ghana for in dear any puntu any like foresight, you know. The days na nkofo edin tro etre Ghana for say monye we intimeto abama money nema no, those days are almost far and gone. So I'll share your campaign Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Back to back campaign on mine. Mimi who be that? Now I've stated say about 2 years here we need researchers in brought together no mun compare Fourth Republic all campaigns leading to an election. Now share who has put in more effort in recent times. And I can tell you the truth. We share the back-to-back nature of Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign all year. From Ashanti region to Upper East region to Northeast region to Savannah region to Volta region to Oti region to Bono region to Ahafo region or Central region, Western region, West Northern region. Ninya we back to back in Juma Oya. Emagana Fonye who say or Enisuadi who be Emagana. Now I've said this and I'll say it again. Oh my Ghana Hano. Yeah, dream say Ghana near Pesi etna. Onipa esisi eba no edi yeso eboa yen magana etumi tumpon none other person than Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay, so why? Like I asked him, why?
Number one, Waba beye omampeni na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo abedi eche. Obeye omampeni na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo abedi eche. Ono ankasa ne initiatives, policies are or they ka omampeni na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo agbemu no digitalization agenda ya yeken. Ghana the first country, almost globally and even the continent of Africa, to implement the zipline drone medical essential delivery. Now, what you train me at who's a UK for, I shall say, almost 1 year medical drone delivery. GPS a year digital address system. And then you can easily get every location. Here, Lotto kiosk, Wahanum, Blue kiosk, Wahanum, all of that has become a thing of the past. Paperless port to end corruption. Diaba, birth and death. No online. CCC as we speak. Akolabia, Yabewunibia would have a unique number. All those days of ghost names, Ninya, double salaries, Ninya, has become a thing of the past. Passport has gone online, and that make us say Ghana. You may have a what we call the Citizen app. Oh my baby, I would name Ghana for me, bra. It's to quiet Citizen app nearby data interoperability. Say all the networks, including passport, registrar general, SNATE, all those government organizations, and they share data amongst themselves. I have seen in recent times, Ghana card. A lot of them a Ghana card. You see how you Ghana need that's another citizen passport you don't even need visa and so Ghana card. You can easily come into your country. It's never be bria. Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any Nenisuadi who are person de boa Ghana, Emma Ghana, Kone, Nim Ghana to me 2 pounds, especially with solar. I'm impressed because when you area or by adding on almost 2,000 MW of solar. Now no a sizable part of our dependency on ECG is going to reduce. Intimate Nenisuadi who I believe this is Jonah Jekunku for he's the man of the moment. He's the man the Ghana. For me, Boachi Dankwa and the rest of the Ghanaian people there, I can tell you, 57, 8, 9, Asema Yebeti Ghana, breaking news, and they say Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Edikain Ewa Batuona Yatuno, and a parliament, and so Yasai majority in parliament in this election. That's my hope, and that's my prayer and my confidence.
Okay, so your hope is that you need majority. And then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia too as well. As
the president-elect.
You don't need any majority or skirt and blouse in...
NCBM. You see? NCBM, Kromai, is never going to happen. NCBM, right from constituency to constituency, the impact of free senior high school, is amazing. the impact of free senior high school. You know, I hear meeting conversations around dollar rates and all those things. No mind, we don't even need to go there. I can understand and appreciate that. No mind, so what dollar at 4 cedis. Now never be bro man penny and do down quick for with the dollar rate at 16. Oh my, it's incomprehensible. It's incomprehensible. Infrastructural works are here.
This is quite offensive.
Oh no, it cannot be. Oh my, it cannot be.
In a way.
No, oh my, it cannot be.
Ordinarily, offensive. I'm looking at Meko, the 40 feet frozen chicken at Meko Fire, and where it is now. I'm not happy. So I think that there should be a better way around it for us to go through these tough moments and times than maybe to look at what what Nanado has done as something to compensate.
No. It's in a value chain.
I respect that.
Good. Amemon is in a value chain.
Absolutely.
Amemon is in a value chain.
I respect that.
It's for me, our conversation is out of place. The Intermaker says it's out of place, and he said, "Oh man, you cannot look at that conversation alone and use that as a foundation."
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very clearly, you know, Oshe impuntunjuma, Oshe social interventions are buying the abana. Oh man, it's astronomical. And for me,
80 schools within a day. 80 schools within a day.
80 schools. Launching 80 schools simultaneously within a day never happened. Me say, oh my, katu onum. Oh my, katu onumu. Ghana hanu. Oh my, Ghana hanu. In the very near future.
Oh,
Ghana hanu.
Vondi.
In the very near future.
Everywhere.
In the very near future. Oh, don't mind him. And the body is on an agenda. Today. Oh, no, be mischievous. Don't worry. It's okay. Leave him.
Have you followed?
Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him.
Baby, for school 5. Brand new school. Secondary school 5.
Go to
what's the brand new school?
Of course. Well, look at it.
Your friend is
the Minister for Education, Busumtri, look at it. STEM schools. Don't be disingenuous.
What's the name of the school?
Don't be disingenuous.
No, I mean, what's the name of the school? You know?
Don't be.
You know it's a lie.
Don't be disingenuous.
You know, what is the name of?
It's Legon. Just before you get to the tunnel. Of course. Yes, STEM. Just by TVET. Yes, STEM.
Where is it?
See, just by tunnel before you get to the tunnel. No.
You know what?
This one you can't pass it.
So
you can't pass it, bro. You can't pass it. Don't do that.
You only go around.
Don't do that. You can't pass this. No, you can't pass this.
Or a dining hall.
I will not be distracted by what you're saying.
Built many schools. That is an exercise in I don't want to use that
in the near future, and not too long in the near future. Private schools. They are going to return and bring their children back to public schools because the public schools, receive the needed attention that it needs. Yes, the public schools is receiving the needed attention.
The number of schools.
I'm even surprised.
I was going to list.
I'm even surprised that you have not seen this.
Did you know?
I'm even surprised.
That's it. MPP for tracker.
I'm even surprised. Look at all the schools that we have done. All of this. Look at all the schools. Wenchi Kwasi 12-unit block. Binim SHS 6 unit classroom. Pewu Tafo SHS. Oh,
6 unit classroom.
Look at this. Look at this. 18 unit classroom, Kumasi Secondary Technical. 12 unit classroom, Yendi. 12 unit classroom, Suman. Coca 12 unit classroom.
12 unit
nothing.
That is why Kufa is counting an achievement. Until we say school back. Oh my God, have mercy. No, but STEM is not an innovative.
TMA. Mo kura de mo say mo be expand no regional obiya benya STEM baako. And I'm say ebo che say na STEM no o makopa edu ho ntoma.
We here no mo sisi no. Do you understand my point?
O kamia.
You can make all the noise about STEM and everything. And you see the location of the schools will expose Bawumia.
Oh.
Why is it?
Na STEM they say for East Legon when you.
Na East Legon no. And also Messi 10.
Almost do.
What about East Legon pe?
Oh, but say I'm not on top of
you
it.
See, we are talking about Obia, what promises us Oba. Obesi 350 schools, brand new. Secondary school, brand new. John Mahama, Okono, near C48 are operationalized. Obisi Meba, Messi 350.
Obi Ben is your
John Drama,
basic education projects.
Basic.
Oh, let me.
And only a district assembly. Jai, don't go there. Listen. John Mahama,
don't frustrate.
I shouldn't frustrate him. I'm telling the truth.
No, try. Now, for yet me a punchy hole.
I'm telling the truth.
So allow
and you can't go and take one district assembly, but as a swag of it, or mercy, 3 classes.
Can you please allow
more than 8 years? So much to me.
Can you allow?
It is part of this. It is part of it.
Oh, man, Kasa, all
right.
And then I'm probably. I mean, you can't be doing that to Ghanaians.
The Get Fund.
Get Fund, with their country loan. Oh, China. Why we scanning in us? Get Fund. And then Get Fund school singing that can rem. Yet to be in school.
So, you shall see on the 18th of November, maybe November, away, and so Franco Assembly making, Franco trading Assembly making. Make sure, sir.
Franco, you not to phone, so saying, Profond to me talk, but when you saw the phone, my man, no matter one city. Is that a serious person to dare venture to be a president in Ghana? I'm really pissed this morning. How can you be doing this to Ghanaians?
So, Franco Trading says, Opel mobile phone air condition 1.5 equals 2.5 horsepower, fridges, speakers, and a television furniture. I've almost been cow say fresh our numbers way 0246422338 and 0555 939311 and 0302225651 what me on the inkitao ebio ubetimi download one Franco Trading app no from Google Play Store na fe what me visit on website na so at www.francotrading.com ye koso kai say open phone papa dia e hone e Franco for on phone papa. Doc, just bring na fianco break run off your bet to be. So you were saying more no see.
Until the time you have a man.
Until you know.
There are a lot of text messages. I noticed the way Professor Mel was free the achievements of the NDC, not John Mama. Until Uya no Doc Yakasa.
I'll let you go.
Okay. Until infrastructure from 2017 to date. So over 2,749. These are projects that get funded across the 16 regions. Mr. TFE, tertiary, about 74 of them. TVET centers, 4. Model schools, 9.
No, we wanted an explanation.
Secondary,
for example, when you say
about 1,160.
Tell us where you build universities.
Basic
don't just make
about 1,501.
Explain.
Man, let's go for the break.
0302.
You're going to church or test via making kind of her. Me say. We are. It's not easy in Ghana. Go by here. Look.
0302-211-701. Just contribute to our conversation, and then when we are back after 9, we are trying to come on to 0302-211-701 equity 4. Also for adventure brain. Then after 9, Doc Obitimasa Abem 0302-211-701 equity 4. Franco Trading Koso Kawa said Black Friday no. Ono she share down so quality TV now part to fridge now part to air conditioner part to mobile phone now part to Bra Franco Trading. Ya sha say kwada dada 18th November they sha say e be we nyame adma November we ye enema we nyina na ye to ma e wo boa e mu da ho yi pa Franco Trading for 0246422338 and 0555939311 and 0302-225651. na watimi ne wona di nkita ho ye say obi wa o ma no so a good morning apom ti say hello good morning 0302 211701 equasi 4 patro
fa cross
patro mm
menga
Mr. And I'm Bruce. Stephen, upon to say.
Boko.
Hello, Stephen, upon to say.
Boko.
Good. It's you.
Yo, me da masini mu program amoye. Ana o man ye kwabra santi mi chia no.
Me joso.
Ano pede mu program amoye ina ye hwe bi na ade a NDC ni ye na because ye nyina Ghana ha nti obi abexna so se o kana sem se de amanfo biti na yato aba na ye de amana pass na bibia ye transfer program but the NDC ni ye na nye so we ni bibia ka men ma program wo me share program because who can what dia obi aye di ga no no so kan de wo question bi we afa na de no agu sama ni kwan say wo ye wo kasa now I don't know destruct any aye ti ho na ye hwe na go ugu ye say
okay so we are sorry Mabel upon to say hello Mabel iti no Mabel okay Mabel nyame adom boko mpacho mitiu
me pacho de NDC ni ye no
okay
the NDC ni ye no just say almost lose it totally because they think when you have time wakasa now person we get kasebi.
Okay, so yeah, that's it. Sammy, you do be Sammy, good morning, upon say.
Me also come na upon me.
Oh, nyame adom boko.
Na the whole last week there okoye adwuma theater na.
I say muslim shasi enko work. Inti me call work 1 week and I me call off 1 week.
Oko work 1 week. Entina me hu wa betifu no. Obi a me propose kase on abo bre champion there ma deputy minister for information na wa ma work there say post you nyaw. Yo, na me fa fidie so na me nchia wo. Na me mo abaso na unia na opeke course no. Yakopon isira no. Na me nchia police ni bi wa adenta wo fa me jo. Otio papa. Ana Joseph from Ponkoko MP. Mesre NDC ne no. Program we program bia. Oman, they see the whole Ghana obi a hwam. Oko TV station bi na radio station bia atimdidi mo radio station bi TV marketing crofo she last week ko ni ababa yo bai hwehwe na wogege na so a ejese mumu bumu nti e be send this Dr. Mahmoud Baumia osuto owiabo Yankopon che ne ho anuonyam ni se wo so onyanhwe a wo deputy minister for information embo nti next time no ye ba work na wa de
me dase susufu woni hwemi
because one year picky course no akọ picky MPP for course train no mo lambast anyare
o de asempa
asempa na bo 24 hour
well asaba da mu nyina ma minute be du ni me da ni me be di en komode bre man ho kwan na fe so da wasese oguso hwe eye Badwam on Adom TV no akoso hwe eye Adom TV me do man ye Kwabena Sante member of parliament for Chifu Atimokwa e wa no say dem nyam for Vondi anafi doctor so e wo ha no say doc ma wanu nsie na afi
Matthew Mahi mamenko educational infrastructure works no membo boso kakra na emagana fo na ye launch ye no na o chine twem no 80 educational infrastructure works e dabako mampeni na nado danko ekufado ene ne minister for education ahafomo basic school
ahafuano ana
ahafuman okay. Basic school APCE demonstration school agogo wenum nyame boni nya yewie most of them na under trees me hwe me the picture be crash was so betumi zoom ya Azar basic school yellow crobo say Azar basic school say it
obuye Azar
basic school say I say it here say I say it
o de hwe o so de chiro
say na net Azar yellow crobo Azar
wako see 3 classroom unit class the block yellow crobo 3 classroom amankola
I mentioned them one after the other
osi ware ejuma hwe no Look at it. 3 classrooms.
I'll mention it.
Take a look at it.
All the works are mebuboninya, yewieninya, all of them. Mebuboninya, yewieninya, all of them.
Okay.
Why?
Oh, my main traffic.
What he's doing is not the best. We don't sit on TV and do that, bruh. Don't do that.
Okay, so what about you?
Mami, ye internal. Because no, you're not. Minto me bona kakra na me bo bibia ni nya wo. Westman Prusi. STEM Model School. Pasenpe STEM Model School, a senior high school. Bibieni Anyanso Bekwai. And also Awaso Model School. Yewie Bosomtwe Model STEM JHS. 4-story 11-unit classroom block. Bosomtwe Seria Model School. Sunyani South Ridge Experimental School. 2-story 11 classroom block. Model STEM School. Drabing 2-story 11 classroom block. La Enquantana Madina Accra STEM Academy. 4-story 28 classroom block with ancillary facilities. You know, and Oman in never way maybe also. In never way I'm boss no. In some of the communities, no be corona schools near get. And I yebubu schools in India, you see a big school a bit to me at Dinkolani about one place. You can come and see the morale of the teachers in those places. Tano South, Samuel Otu Presby School.
Yes, Samuel Otu.
Single-story dormitory block. Tano South became District Education Office. In Koransa, District Education Office. Etiwa East, TVET Applied Technical and Fashion School. Offenso North, Akumadan, TVET Applied Technical School. Center of Excellence, Asen South, Asen Jakai, Asen Amansie West, Pachi number 2.
Pechi
number 2, okay. Center of Excellence.
We can reference these points.
All these schools and all these infrastructural works, it's evidential. It being seen that in this country. And for me, like I said again, go for a private schools. NJBR. All of them will start bringing their children to the public schools. Oko London, Oko America, Oko Spain, Oko China, Oko Asia, all of those countries, the public schools, and are building the moral fabric of the country. And Ghana is restoring that confidence back into the public schools. In Juma Bibriaya, for me, it gives me the needed assurance and the confidence say ye pe on mampeni and hote after Nanado Danko Ekufuadua. A none other than Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Ono na wasro hono. Me bon pa yese Ghana fuonya ebeto aba amano. Na we dinku nim amagana.
So as we speak, mo campaigning na me.
Oh, you were nothing Savannah wale honom no. So and your running mate and also Ashanti region. Until we are on the campaign back to back. Send na wotriana you could be a watermelon factory, wale. The whole place is turned blue. But I can tell you of a truth. By the time I yebekwa to about on the 7th, now your campaign, the whole country are blue. We are the only presidential candidate and political party. You call all 276 constituencies.
Only?
Yes, Bebre Nkoye. I'm telling you. Omahi upafu any to form. Bebre Nkoye. They are in the house campaigning. Omon Koye. That's the truth. Omon to me Konko campaigning because they don't have a message.
And this in Koye.
Oh, they have not. Omayebi, but they have not. Yen Yako all the 276 constituencies back to back. Dr. Baumia is working hard, working very, very hard. Together with Dr. Matupoku Prepe, working very hard. All party executives, from chairman to national coordinator, Obia Yejuma, the various regional executives. Oh, Walker, weekend year train in this region. My brother, it's amazing. Ghana for any BA to intro in Kontompo, in Niema, into me from Punto Mbano. The Ghanaian people are saying it clearly. No more here in Fatu Hua. Bruh, they say no. Senjuma Wena or Mampeni and Another Kweku Fadwaye within 8 years, and Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia will do even more. But maybe try to also Mampeni and Another Kweku Fadu, he's been commissioned. In Kofor say Mampeni air commissioned because of a battle. enye because of abato maka to hono say amemu no omampeni na nado danko ekufu ado amemu na be wiye on the night of the 6th of January inti ni njuma na all ye no a odi bi wiye no obie ano amagana fo ahase euc eya seda eni aseda eni de be mo omampeni na nado danko ekufu ado
Von me da se me nua on se wonu no ho na usrea se wotwa otakram awina okase wawina ma na wi nam bia me nua na mo Ghana fo amotie me ni titiro ni emabunu mo nyina mo nim sese enne wo so wo phone na 4G beba so a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama investment a wa ye our fiber optic cable a lay from her the corner of no a data center ya see and ama and the yenya digitization munyina munim Sir John Mahama breso and as ya kasa digitization abade em nwanwani say Google map e wo da ye di hwe ukọ ba bia otumi bogu so ade ukọ no enne ba omia so na de ba ye enya hwe minimo kasa Ghana card ye asaba omia ye badwi wo mpo se ye de ne vice president no also on na ye oni hwe ka menuanom 8 years ni a akufo ado ni ba obia betena o man so wo mo se ba omia se enka wo mo mobosia bia o sabre no na Ghana bosia nyina Afrikruma abre so aye 120 billion wo mo se so wo mo ba wo mo mobosia bia na baumiase wodi tobu tibesisi kwan so na wo magisika dia ye Ghana kwan ye wo Ghana he nyina ena menemo kase enkrofo ya bobosia over 700 billion Ghana cedi menua wo mpata mu awowo nsem a wo mo keke nyina no so wahunu bi wo wa na Koko road a ye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abreso no enkrofo no wo magya ne nyina ma enne ya kwan nyina tete apro apansan and running da and afi akawon right me constituency to Fatima kwa for example baby a John Dramani Mahama enkiyedi light eko bempon ya number 2 Kenan Swechi Zakari ade kwa no bempon so ya in fear 8 years ne wo manye no and na waye jingle no obobo se ono oye candidate no or the light akọ nyina wabra nananom efrefre ma yenim se light bi anko ho and running da na asha Akufo Addo ni Bawumia and ni parliamentary candidates ne ma so wo pese John Mahama e ba aben mu anyame Adom obebe yi a wotu abama John Mahama tuma ne bra hye bedwani na anya saa John Mahama kotena soro ho na ne bra hye bedwani ankoka ne ho a watitiri John Mahama nsa abonachi muntu abama John Mahama emma mo banya bank na motimi anya sika de adidwa muntu abama John Mahama emebunu na adwuma beba the big push ye di $10 billion ebe she adwuma na adwuma ba infrastructure bekoso sukusu ayesisi bekoso menuanom free SHS na John Mahama shase progressively no double track ye be ye free ho enkola bekoso ye benye aduane papa edi na adesua be ye bio mesremo muntu abama John Mahama no fa 24 hour economy mbra anu na beji Ghana nkwan o muntu abama John Mahama no fa Mahama ke mbra menuanom Akufo Addo ni Bawumia asai economy ni mu amuwa aboso kan mo kofa nuama beton mesremo na 3.9 to $1 na enanam 17 Ghana cedi to $1 no enuama ben na obetimi ato
so von
oman asai oman apro ye hia say ye be reset oman na oman ayeye mesremo muntuma John Mahama muntuma NDC brashe bedwani bia na oman abefa ntima pefra
sese na okan ya sese dokuru ya say
mini wo ka say dokono first John Mahama breso no na ye 1 cedi and dokono ye 10 cedi 10 cedi
oto dokono we
me to dokono wo kokomlimli 10 cedi ebi ye 5 cedi no omuntwa de kitikiti ni abobi 10 cedi
nti nyame ya dom na
John Mahama ba
o de be ko say
John Mahama ba
2 cedi
John Mahama ba dokono be sign na chi
abasen
anya kura be ba 2 cedi 1 cedi 50 pesos John Mahama ba dollar no ebe sign na chi anya kura no be ba do be 5 cedi akọ 4 cedi ho no John Mahama ba akwanya ya ye nyina no
biso before you go fast bia mamo
me say John Mahama ba woni bi tie ebe sa John Mahama ba woni ka ba port na wo koyi a Wudi car ba
And
portal
Wudi
sika bebrebe sa free say ye be COVID-19 tax free ho ye be emission tax free ho ye be tax free ho and my wrap up dollar na ho dey be kosoro ekuafo be di nde me say ekuafo mo be di
dollar na ho dey be kosoro sit down ho dey be kosoro dollar ho dey be ba form
sit na ho dey be kosoro na dollar na ho dey be ba see winning the election.
Thank you so much for your time. Doc.